Hi, it's Ashtin. We're on set for my Wildflower Case photo shoot. We have this gorgeous little martini case and we're at a bar and we're gonna be drinking martinis and having a great time.
A foot on it is cutie through face down.
Yeah.
And like
We
it's like
could
a
do, like-
foot shot.
Yeah.
It's cute.
Yeah, you're drunk and wobbling over.
Yeah.
I feel like I am right now.
No, the polish in the shoe is like I feel like you actually look a lot like Devin.
I know. I was literally thinking about that earlier. I was like,
Wait a sec.
Sisters.
I like my martinis extra dirty and super dry. I've been listening to Tame Impala's new album a lot, so that whole album, Deadbeat. My perfect night out is getting a really cute outfit on and meeting my friends at a cute bar lounge, kind of like the one we're at right now, and sipping on tons of martinis and talking for hours, and then going to bed. And then going to bed. My best friend Lily, because I miss her. Lately, I've been Irish goodbying a lot, and I'm proud of it, honestly. My party trick is drinking 3 martinis in one night. No one. I don't have a favorite kind of outfit I like to wear out, but as long as it's fun and exciting and different, that's what I love to wear out. At least 2 hours. Sleeping all day. Probably my older sisters. Dark chocolate. I don't have a favorite place. I just always like going somewhere new. Anything with vodka. So this is my phone case. It's a bunch of martinis, and I just thought it was perfect for me because I love a martini, and my nickname for my friends is Ashtini, So this is for my friends and for my martini lovers. Thank you guys for watching. This was so much fun. You can shop my case now at wildflowercases.com. Thank you guys. This was so fun.